Hey guys, here is a 2024 remake video of this 52-inch Hunter Mayfair in my grandparents' house. And, yeah, this fan has now been in here for 30 years, because this house was built in 1994, and this fan was also installed here in 1994, which was way before I was born. And this is my favorite ceiling fan in the house, as well. And, I do have another video of this fan from 2019, and it's also been included in several videos I've made of all the ceiling fans in this house. So, we'll go start off on low speed now. I have to say, though, that, it's definitely no longer a very quiet ceiling fan anymore. It now makes a bearing noise on high speed. I mean, that's what happens, since this fan's been installed here for 30 years. So, yeah, that's just what happens. And it gets run a lot here. But on low speed, there's no bearing noise. And, despite the bearing noise, though, this fan still works really well. Here it is, close here. And the blades are, pretty much, they still look in good condition as well. And, about, in 2017, this fan had, so much, it was so dirty, there was dirt in the motor, and so that got cleaned out, and, now it still looks like it just came right out of the box. Well, at least it looks like it came right out of the box. Anyway, here's medium speed. This is where it kind of starts to make the bearing noise, but not quite as loud as in high speed. Oh, and by the way, yeah, this is controlled by the Lutron wall control. Alright, there it is, just running on medium speed. We'll go and get a view from here. Alright. Don't think you can really hear anything on medium speed. You know what, actually I'll go up here so you can see if you can hear that. Probably can't. Alright, we'll get down from there. And here we go on high speed. Alright, certainly you could probably hear that. We'll get up there so you can hear that. And then here's the airflow. I can tell you one thing though. I'm pretty sure this fan definitely did not make any bearing noise before 2021. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure in 2020 it was still silent. And just started making it in 2021, and it's just gotten worse. You can really hear that. It's just scraping. It's not even a consistent bearing noise. It's just randomly deciding how many scrapes it does each second. Sounds like a dog scratching at a door. Alright. Well, we'll go turn this off now. And, yeah, it is gonna go away. But, anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye.